Hi everyone, this is Luba with Orgasmic Life. And how life can be orgasmic without deep, deep love. Recently, I have been talking to several friends who are trying very hard to meet someone, to find a big love in their life, to meet their soulmate, to find that life partner. And on some reason, it's not very easy. It doesn't happen like this. And I wanted to talk about it today because in my life, I have been through long path looking for love, and here I am, arrived finding my love. I'm so much in love with my husband, and we have been together 2 years, and it's getting deeper and better. Never happened to me like that. And I don't think it's lucky. I don't think it's like, oh, I'm just lucky, it happened. I think there is a certain amount of like personal work that has to be done. That person has arrived to that space when we are ready to meet love, to attract love, to see love, to recognize it. I think it's important to learn to love ourselves first, and then we can meet someone um, who will just respond to that. How we love ourselves, we can love another person. And another saying that like when the cup is full, then only we can share with someone else. When cup is empty, when we don't love ourselves, it's so difficult to share. So for me, I remember just being so upset. Oh my god, I want to meet this person, why it's not happening? And I had lovers, I was going on dates, but still, like, there wasn't that right person, someone with whom I will dive so deep. And then I remember one day I went to a workshop, which is the name of the workshop, Love is the Source of Life. And I thought, okay, let me check it out. And the whole workshop was so boring. And please get me right, I went to a workshop, like there is a place called Human Awareness Institute, and they have like different topics where there is a chance to explore, like look deep inside yourself. And I love that type of work. I love those workshops, and like they have been so life changing for me. But this specific topic about love was so boring, and like the whole weekend of the workshop I was just like so bored. And then suddenly, very close to the end, we were doing another exercise, and all exercises were on love topic. And I realized, oh my god, I didn't believe in love. I just didn't. I was manipulating with love. Like, I will say to myself, okay, this guy looks nice, he has good job, he like very nice to me, I should love him. And then I will like try to do that. Or I will get mad at someone like, hey, like I'm so cool, how you don't love me? So I will like try to manipulate with love, and I didn't believe in love as something that will just arrive and happen. Some unmanageable force that will just happen. And when I realized it, I cried the end of that workshop. I felt so miserable and so sad, realizing that like, wow, my name means love. Luba in Russian means love, and I didn't believe in it. And after this workshop, 1 month later, we went to Hawaii and I connected with my husband. And before we worked together, I didn't even look in that direction. I didn't even consider, like, we didn't talk to each other. Like, we just said, like, hi, bye. And I never, like, I try not to have any relationships at work. So when it started happening, I was resisting as much as I could. But then just at some moment, I just surrendered, and then love happened. And it was the most amazing experience. And I don't regret it till now. And it's very interesting as well how they say that you have to love your parents. I don't think there is have to in love. Yes, our parents, like our relatives, our siblings, parents, we have to take care of them, we have to respect them or whatever, but we cannot have to love anyone. Love just happens. Like, it's not that this person is cool, nice, beautiful, I love them. It doesn't. I realize that's not happening like this. It it just, I love someone. They can be the shittiest person ever, and I just love them because love is happening. And another interesting scene, I was thinking um, that how easy to love kids. I'm just madly in love with my Mikey. And I noticed like my parents just like spent like several months, like my mom spent several months, my dad spent with him, and they just fell in love. They miss him like crazy when they go somewhere. And I think it's so easy, like most of people will love for real, we love our kids because they are authentic. They being so natural. Like my little child, when he's upset, he's upset. When he's happy, when he loves something, he's just enjoying like crazy. He never tries to be nice or politically correct or like pretend something not to make mommy feel um, upset. And I think over time we are teaching our kids to do this like social stuff, which is all the rules and all this. Who knows why we need that? Like if we teach kids to pretend, and then they become who we are when we grown up. But little kids, they just so authentic, and they're like magnets. They attract everyone. So another scene, I think, I don't know, but I think to attract more people to love us, um, what helps with it to be real, just just to be natural, to be authentic, to be whoever you are. And the more I'm learning that to be myself, the more I enroll in love, and I wish it to you as well. And please share in comments how your experience with love have been, how your love journey is going. We'll be happy to check that out.